Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review this product that I got from Lakme. This is the Lakme 925 Matte Moist Clay Face Wash and Face Mask. So I'm going to show you guys how I've used this product, and also I like to do this at night. So I'm going to show you guys my skincare at night when I'm not wearing makeup. So if you guys want to know all of this, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is the PR package that I got from Lakme, and it is a beautiful cardboard box. It has these two products in it. One is the face wash and another is the face mask. This is the Lakme 925 Matte Moist Clay Face Wash and Face Mask. So I'm going to show you guys how I've used this. So this has green tea in it. This is for oily skin tone. This is for oil removal. So it contains the goodness of green tea. So all of you know green tea is so good for health. So while I'm sipping this green tea, I'm going to do it. It is good to have green tea anytime in the day, morning, night. So first I'm going to use the face wash. That is the Lakme 925 Matte Moist Clay Face Mask. It contains the goodness of green tea extracts and mineral clay that gently deep cleans to remove excess oil and gives a lovely matte finish to the skin. It is very good for oily skin tone. It is going to remove all the excess oil from your face. So the product contains 100 gram and the price of the product is $250. It is quite affordable and it has a beautiful smell in it. And also you see the packaging looks so beautiful. I love this kind of light green packaging. The face wash is very good. It deep cleanses, remove excess oil, remove dullness and gives an extra fresh feeling to your skin. I like to take the product, little bit of the product in my hand and mix it with some water and lather it in my hand. After that I like to massage it on all over my face for this face wash. And once for 2-3 minutes I'm going to rub on my face, and after that I like to wash my face with some lukewarm water. Once that is done, I like to pat my face and remove all the water. The combination of mineral clay and the goodness of green tea extract keeps skin moisturized while leaving the skin feeling fresh. After that I like to use this Lakme 925 Matte Moist Clay Face Mask. This also has green tea in it. So it is for pore cleaning. So I like to take little bit of the product and apply it on all over my face. I like to avoid near my mouth and near my eyes, and mostly I like to apply it on my cheeks. So I'm going to apply this product on all over my face, and after that I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it dries a little bit and it cleans the pores. Then I'm gently going to rub it and remove it with water. After that the face looks very clean, all the pores get cleaned. After that I'm going to pat dry my face and use a toner. Next I'm going to use a moisturizer. So I'm going to use this moisturizing cream. This is from Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, long lasting intense hydration for daily use. It is non-greasy, non-irritating. It won't clog your pores and hypoallergenic. So it's a very hydrating moisturizing cream. I like to apply it on my face and it makes my face very hydrated and all. So yeah, these are the products I like to use when I'm not wearing makeup, and before going to bed I like to moisturize my face and remove the excess oil, because my face is oily. So whole day I'm getting oil in my face and the dust is going to stuck in my face. So make sure to do some night skincare before sleep, because if you have an oily skin. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.